Hello traders, hello friends, I'm Coach Jay, and for today's video, I will be analyzing the chart of gold or XAUUSD, and later we will also analyze the sentiment of the big players of the market. Okay, so before I proceed, let me again remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is not a trade recommendation. This is just for educational purposes only. Therefore, trade at your own risk. Alright, so starting with the monthly time frame, we can see that there was already a breakout from this important level of monthly resistance. Okay, so for many occasions, once the price reaches this area, was going to the downside, and another test here as resistance going to the downside, and just recently, okay, we saw this very perfect bullish engulfing. Okay, this is a very nice bullish engulfing candlestick, as it signifies that the buyers are in control. So therefore, personally, I'm not looking for any sell opportunity. Okay, dropping down to the weekly time frame. Okay, if we will just focus on this current market structure, we can see that the price is creating series of higher highs and higher lows, which is of course the structure of an uptrending market. Okay, right. So therefore, monthly is bullish and weekly is also bullish. Okay, so before we drop down to the daily time frame, let's see the COT report. Okay, here. Okay, so again, all currencies under this report are all traded against the US. So therefore, as if we are looking already the chart of XAUUSD. Okay, so as you can see, net longs, longs of the big institutions are 265,647 compared to their short orders of 66,353. Therefore, very bullish talaga ang mga big institutions kay gold. Okay? Okay, so you can see this bar chart, 80% of their orders are for their long orders. Okay? Only 19.99% order are for their short orders. Okay? So let's go back to the chart. Looking at the daily time frame. Okay? Okay, so let's focus on the current market structure. Okay, so gold is again another broke this level. Okay, so here are the important levels. So that's the nearest, then this one, okay, and this one. Okay, so dyan nagkaroon ng mga breakout point, therefore yan yung magandang levels. Okay, so as mentioned sa inyo last Friday, we can look for a buying opportunities at this point of breakout. However, it continues to go to the upside. Okay, so let's go down to H4 time frame. By the way, yesterday I was able to trade. Okay, here dito sa area na to. Okay, so quick trade lang yon, bumaba lang ako sa 5 minutes. So I just explain yung naging thought process ko kung bakit ako nag-buy dito. Okay, And so here, ma-observe nyo na touch niya itong important level natin na na-plot natin sa daily. Okay, where is my pang-drawing? Yan. So, eto siya. Nung nakita ko itong bullish engulfing na to, nag-place na ako ng trade dyan. And of course, ang tipiko lang ay yan. So, dyan ako banda. Yan. Ayan, halos malapit na siya sa TP ko ngayon. So, maybe pwede ko na ulit siyang i-observe. Okay. Ayan. So, sabi ko naman kasi sa inyo, buy level ang aking ginagawang SLNTP. Okay, that is my that is my trade yesterday. Okay. So, ngayon nga ay running profit na ako. Okay? Pero please be reminded na merong news later sa USD, JOLTS job openings. Okay? So, be careful also in trading the gold. Okay? So, ako, buy opportunities lang yung hahanapin ko. So, if bumalik siya dito sa area na to, so siguro ngayon magpa-profit na ako, magte-take na ako ng 50% of my profit. And then pag bumalik maybe dito, okay lang. So pwede ulit ako mag-place ng order, pero syempre yung aking syempre maghihintay pa rin ako ng candlestick confirmation dyan sa area na yan. Okay, so it's okay lang kung dito siya magkaroon ng bounce, magkaroon ng reaction. At least mas marami yung ating magiging profit, no? Okay. So ang target kasi ko ay 2,300. Actually, yung tina-target ko na price. Okay? So let's go to H4 time frame. Okay. So, bakit 2,300? Okay, labas ko lang yung aking fib. Itong aking extension. Yan. Okay, so narito yung negative 27%, which is kahilera niya itong 2,300. So, we still have the room to go up. Kaya, very exciting i-trade ang gold for buy opportunities. Okay? So, pero, dapat lang pag magte-trade kayo ay nasa mga levels na na-plot ninyo or whatever strategy yung ginagamit nyo. So, I think for now, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung sentiment ng mga retail traders, no? Majority of the AUUSD ito. Okay, so majority of the retailers ay nag-short sila, no? So tignan niyo yung tignan niyo yung kung gaano na sila na sila ka-loss ngayon. Okay, so kaya very important na we just follow the trend of the market. So always follow the big institutions. So yun lang, please trade safely. Bye-bye.